Hello students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So today we will discuss the concept and MCQ questions from NCERT exemplar. The topic is polynomial. So let us begin. Let us come to the concepts. The geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial is the zero of a polynomial px are precisely the x coordinate of the point where the graph of y is equal to p of x intersect at x-axis. So zero means the graph where this line intersect, the graph intersect are the zeros. The relation between zeros and coefficients of the polynomial are as follows. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square bx plus c, where a is the coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is the constant, here the sum of the zeros is minus of b by a. And the product of zeros alpha into beta is equal to c by a. This you have to remember. You may get questions from this concept. Similarly, if it is a quadratic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, so there will be three zeros alpha, beta, gamma. Their sum alpha plus beta plus gamma will be negative b upon a. And if we will take the product of two at a time, alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha, it will be c upon a, that means coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube. And the product of all zeros is alpha into beta into gamma is equal to the constant upon the coefficient of x cube with a negative sign. So these three are important to us. Now no need of this fourth one for the objective questions. Now coming to MCQ question, you know there are four options. The example is given here. Choose the correct answer from the given four options. Simple question 1. If one zero of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 3x plus k is 2, then find the value of k. And this is very simple question. You will put x is equal to 2. So it will be 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus k. This will be 0 because if 2 is a root, that means from the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 2 is equal to 0. So 4 plus 6 plus k is equal to 0. So we are getting k is equal to minus 10. So B is answer of this question. Similarly, let us come to another question. Given two zeros of the cubic polynomial ax cube bx square plus cx plus d is 0, then third zero is what? Two zeros are 0. That means alpha is 0, beta is 0, gamma you have to find out. You know the sum of the zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to negative b upon a, coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. So gamma is equal to minus b by a upon 0 plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. So minus b by a means a is the answer of this question. Now coming to objective questions. Question of 1. Choose the correct answer from the following four options. Question of 1. If one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial k minus 1 x square plus kx plus 1 is minus 3, one of the zero is minus 3, then find the value of k. That means if alpha is minus 3, then you have to find your beta. No need of beta, you have to find the value of k. It is 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3, 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So this is a sample question. Similar to sample question, in place of x you will put the value is 3. So I'll write k minus 1 into minus 3 square plus k into minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. When minus 3 is a 0, so the value of the polynomial when x is minus 3 is equal to 0. So it will be, simplifying this, I'll get k minus 1 into 9 minus 3k plus 1 is 0. Again simplifying, I'm getting 9k, what to do, 9k minus 9 minus 3k plus 1 is 0. So I'm getting 6k minus 8 is 0. So 6k is equal to 8, k is equal to 4 by 3. If we cancel with 2, 4 by 3. So A is answer of this question. Question number 2. A quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus 3 and 4 is, options are x square minus x plus 12, x square plus x plus 12, x square by 2 minus x by 2 minus 6, 2x square plus 2x minus 24. So how to find the equation? First you will take the, what is the sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is your minus 3 plus 4, that will be 1. Then write product of zeros. Product of zeros is 4 into minus 3 minus 12. Then write the equation. What is the equation? Equation is x square minus sum into x plus product. This is the quadratic polynomial. So you can note down if you this. So it will be x square minus x plus minus 12. X square minus x square plus x, sorry, it is minus x not plus x, plus x minus 12. X square minus x minus 12. What is the answer? X square minus, there is no excess, no question base. Sum is equal to plus 1, product is equal to minus 12. The equation is x square minus sum into x minus 12. Where is the equation? X square minus x. I think C will be the answer, because this is your x square minus x minus 12 by 2. So this will be the answer of this question, C. Now coming to question number 3. If the zeros of the polynomials x square plus a plus 1x plus b are 2 and minus 3, then what is the value of a? What a, b, our options are given minus 7, b is minus 1, a5, b minus 1, a2, b minus 6, a0, b minus 6. So here the sum is a minus a plus 1. So 2 minus 3 is equal to minus of a plus 1. Minus 1 is equal to minus plus 1. I will cancel minus minus. Then a is equal to 0. Now of course you can find D will be the answer, because only D is the option where a is 0. But still we will do other part for b. B is equal to the product of roots, product of zeros. So b is equal to 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. So here is the answer. D is answer of this question. Question number 4. The number of polynomials having zeros minus 2 and 5. How many polynomial can be possible with 2 zeros? Minus 2 plus 7. It is only 1. Only one polynomial is possible with minus 2. It will be x square minus sum of the zeros, that will be minus 3x, plus product of the 0, that will be minus 2. So there is only one polynomial possible. A is answer. Given one of the zeros of the cubic polynomial is 0. One of the 0 of this polynomial is 0. Then find the product of other two zeros. That means if there are three zeros, alpha, beta, gamma, it is given in that alpha is 0 and you have to find that beta, gamma. What is the value of beta into gamma? So what you will apply? You will apply that this second option. What is second condition? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to C by A. So here, if alpha is 0, this is becoming 0. Third one is becoming 0. You are getting the product of other roots. So beta gamma is equal to your C by A. So B is answer here. Next is question number 6. Question number 6 is a very tricky question. So be mindful. The product of the one of zeros of the cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial is given in a different way. It is given x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c. So here alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus a, because the coefficient of x cube is 1 here. Similarly, alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma is equal to minus b, and alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus c again. So these are the relation. Here it is given that one of zeros is minus 1. So let us take alpha is equal to minus 1. Then what you have to find? You have to find product of other two zeros. You have to find beta gamma. In term of this b minus a plus 1, b minus a minus 1, a minus b plus 1, a minus b minus 1. So let us begin. First I'll put alpha as minus 1 in this equation. So I'll get b plus gamma, beta plus gamma is equal to minus a. Since alpha is minus 1, so minus 1 is shifted here, it will be minus 1 plus 1. Next I'll come to second one. Second one I'll write alpha taking common, beta plus gamma plus beta gamma is equal to b. What is beta plus gamma? It is minus a plus 1. What is alpha? Alpha is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus a plus 1 plus beta gamma is equal to b. From this I'll get beta gamma is equal to b minus a minus 1. So what is the answer? Answer is A. Question number 7. The zero of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 9x plus 127 are both positive, both negative, one positive, one negative, both equal. So here you see if alpha and beta are two zeros, then alpha into beta is equal to positive 127. What does it mean? Either they are both negative, then only I'll get positive, or this is one condition. Second condition is alpha is positive, beta is also positive. That means either they are both positive or they are both negative. Now coming to sum. Sum means alpha plus beta is equal to negative 99, because we write that x square minus sum into x plus product. So it will be minus 99. When sum is minus 99 and both are either positive or negative, so what will be the option? That means both are negative. So alpha and beta both are negative. B is the answer. Question number 8. If 0 of the quadratic polynomial x square plus kx plus k cannot be both positive, cannot be both be negative, are always unequal or always equal. So same concept will apply here. K square plus kx plus k, since k is positive, that means alpha into beta both are positive. So either they are positive or they are negative. And here I am getting again the negative k. Alpha plus beta is negative k. That means what is the options? They cannot be both positive. They cannot be both positive. So they will be both are negative. So A is option. Question number 9. If zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus bx plus c are equal, that means alpha is equal to beta, then c and a have both opposite signs, c and b have both opposite signs, c and a have same sign, c and b have same sign. So equal means when they are equal, each is equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a, but it's not required here. They are equal means c and have both same sign. Then only you will get your zeros are equal. 10. One of the zero of the quadratic polynomial form ax square plus bx is negative of other. One is negative of other. That means alpha is equal to minus beta. So what will be alpha plus beta? It is 0. So there will be no x terms, no linear terms. Has no linear terms and the constant term is negative. Has no linear term and constant term is positive. Can have linear term but the constant term is negative. Can have a linear term, constant term is positive. So let us take an example. One is plus 2, one is minus 2. That means when they are opposite of other. So you are getting x square negative 4. So there is no linear term and the constant term is negative. So A is answer. Question number 11 is a graph question, geometric interpretation, which we discussed first step. Which of the following is not a graph of quadratic polynomial? Not a graph of quadratic polynomial means it will not intersect x-axis. Now I hope you can understand which one will be the answer. See the graph very clearly. Here it is intersecting. Here it is intersecting at 3 places. Here 2 places. Here it is not intersecting x-axis. So A is answer of this question. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.